Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a private story in Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on new story and tap on new private story, and now select those people you want to share your story and tap on create story and enter the name of your private story and tap on save. Okay, the private story has been created, and now let's see how to add photo to this story. So for that, tap on private story and capture a photo and tap on send to. And here you can see the photo has been added to my private story. And the same way you can add more photos to this to your private story by tapping on add snap, capture photo and tap on send. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.